Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Zain with you. In today's video, we are doing an honest comparison of real Debrid, Alldebrid, and Premiumize in 2025. If you are into streaming, torrenting, or cloud downloading, this video is for you. And for now, let's dive in. What are these services? All three, Real Debrid, Alldebrid, and Premiumize, are multi-hosters. They give you access to high-speed downloads, premium links, and buffer-free streaming from hosts like RabbitGator, NitroFlare, and others. But they are not all the same. Let's compare them on 5 key points: speed, reliability, supported hosts, extra features, and price. And now let's start with speed and performance. Real Debrid is famous for fast speeds, especially for Kodi users. Most links are quick and reliable. Alldebrid is slightly behind, but still solid in terms of performance, less popular, but very functional. Premiumize is good, but users report inconsistent speeds during peak times. Winner for speed is Real Debrid. Supported hosts. Real Debrid supports over 50 hosts, including the popular ones like RabbitGator and Up2Box. Alldebrid also supports a wide range, and it frequently updates its supported services. Premiumize has fewer direct hosts, but it makes up for it with built-in Usenet and torrent support. Winner for host variety, Alldebrid for balance and updates. Extra features. Real Debrid focuses mainly on streaming and downloads, no cloud storage. Alldebrid offers browser extensions, magnet link support, and some automation features. Premiumize stands out with 1 terabyte of cloud storage, Usenet access, and even a VPN. Winner for features, Premiumize. Price comparison. Real Debrid is the cheapest, €3 for 15 days or €16 for 180 days. Alldebrid is slightly more, €4.99 per month or €16.99 for 180 days. Premiumize is the most expensive, around €10 per month, but includes extra services like VPN and cloud storage. Best budget option is Real Debrid. Best value for features is Premiumize. Ease of use and support. Real Debrid integrates perfectly with streaming apps like Kodi, but has limited customer support. Alldebrid has a simple user interface and solid browser support. Premiumize has a modern dashboard and fast email support. Best user experience, tie between Alldebrid and Premiumize. Conclusion. So which one should you choose in 2025? Choose Real Debrid if you want fast, budget-friendly access to premium links, especially for Kodi. Go with Alldebrid if you want a balanced service with active updates and browser tools. Pick Premiumize if you are looking for an all-in-one solution with cloud storage, VPN, and more. And now let me know down below in the comments which one you use or plan to try. And that's all for today's comparison. If you find it helpful, please support us with a like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.